Kasamang ano na yun? Kasamang senyales.
Kinakabahan ba? Or what?
Nada pa, nakita. Kinakabahan ba?
Oo, world champion ng kalaban mo eh.
Alam pa lang kasi ni Pake, parang
Nanenesigan.
Nako!
Nako! What's going on?
To not only come back, but to also be crowned the world champion. But to do that, there's a lot that yet needs to be done.
That was a nice jab and followed by a body shot as well from Barrios. He definitely needs to work the body against the older 46-year-old Manny Pacquiao. Break him down.
Nako! Nagkempohan na.
Ill-intentioned counter right that Barrios wanted to punish. And then a jab.
Nako, don't tell me.
So there's an answer from Barrios now in the second round.
It's an answer from Barrios, the right hand. But Pacquiao's landing some shots too. Let's not forget, guys, Manny Pacquiao still possesses that power. The old man power people talked about in the sparring sessions, that he was hurting people.
And once again, he's in against a bigger fighter. Barrios' team said they wanted him to come in at around 168 pounds on
Ang layo, no? Parang hindi niya maabot si Barrios. Ba't ganon? Abot ba? Kaya mahina ang pagkakadating yata eh. Oh, ang haba ng ni Barrios.
Pacquiao was patient and countered with a short right, which is not his MO. He's a big left-hand guy, but